conversations about, what you think we want to do, because it's like, okay, how do we get the messaging out there now that we have all these other channels and continue to promote, because, it's all about the team. It's all about like, okay, well, how do we get better?
We'll have some fun. So, I've been working with, the athletic department at Michigan State, and we're getting ready to launch, an internship program for the whole, athletic department. All 700 plus student athletes are going to have an opportunity to do internships here with Keller Williams, many of them with our team, but more than even what I can accommodate. And I've met with Alan Haler's right-hand person, Ashton Henderson. And we had our second meeting with Ashton, and we've got KW Sports and Entertainment involved. And I've met with Angela Monty. I don't know if you know Angela or not.
Yep.
Met with her a couple of times, and met with the new Darian Harris has elevated in the athletic department.
Yep.
The new Darian is actually also a past client, which is pretty sweet. Kurt Richardson is his name. Brand new. I believe he did play here. But he's been working with NFL teams for many, many years.
Okay.
For like brand awareness, but I know that he went to Lansing Eastern is where he went many years ago. But we're getting ready to have some really exciting things with the university that will create a whole different kind of it gives us some other avenues to kind of take some of the shows and talk about the educational experience that we're providing for young people. So
we're getting more and more MSU, between our students with the Generation Us and the Journey into Higher Ed, with the students, as I mentioned, for like Anna Thomas, who was our guest prior to you. But I have like Bianca Guest coming on, Lorenzo's wife. She is the new assistant director at IM West for group fitness, and her and I are buddies, and she's going to be coming on here next week. And so we're doing awesome. A lot. Yeah, it's just like, what, however we can support the university. And I never know how much value is coming out of this, but like I said, with the Anna Thomas thing, that girl, for being a youngster, she crushed it. And she said some things about the university that, well, like I was talking to Bianca, I said, Bianca, and she works with students way more than I do, and I work with students a lot. I said, we don't have any idea from our perspective at our level of what they're going through. You got to talk to them to know what they need, because the world has changed, and all of our kids, they got completely hammered with COVID. And it's just like, we can't forget that fact that all of our kids from that age of like my grandkids all the way up to the 25-year-olds, they got screwed out of 2 years. At least. I mean, look at Jen. She had to do 2 years worth of online study through her degree. At least she got 2 years of normal, but that's still, right. And she still paid the same, right? So It's like, it's kind of, but in another way, it exposed them to some other skill sets. So
sure,
you take what you get and you just make lemonade, because to cry about getting lemons ain't going to do diddly crap. So, hey, brother,